Morning guys. Today we have an interesting one. We have one of these Western Digital external USB drives. Customer says that was in the bottom of a school bag and a water bottle emptied out over it. And when I took the cover apart, you can actually still see there's water inside the cover, and there's also water sitting here. So this is going to be an interesting one. I don't usually do data recovery, and I'm hoping that we dry this out. What I'll do is I'll take off the PCB, just make sure that there's no water sitting on that board. This here, I think the drive itself should be pretty well sealed, so I think the issue may be that there'll be water on the board itself. Unfortunately, the customer said that the drive still spins up, which means that they have plugged it back in and pushed power through the board when the board could still be wet, which is never a good thing. Let's get the board off and see if it's dry under there. This board should be connected to the bottom with a connector, so it should pop off. You can see where the connector is. There you go. And that's, I believe, coming from the platters inside. So that very well could be the reason why it wasn't being able to read anything. Try and clean this. I'm going to clean these contacts with some 99%. Also help to displace any water that's still left there. There's a little bit of something around the connector. We'll have a look under the microscope at the actual connector itself. It doesn't look like anything got in there, but it's so small you can never quite tell. So this would be the connector, and then this, I believe, is from the supplies power to the drive. And this is where there's some water sitting. Do you have some signs of brown stuff here? The customer said it was water, but you never know. Looking at it like this, I can't quite see anything, so I think we'll go under the microscope just to get a closer. So under the microscope, just going to go slowly. Oh, there's some water there. You can see some corrosion on the board. Oh, if it got under that chip, there's going to be a problem. Quite a few spots where there's corrosion starting. There's some around that chip as well. Yeah. See if I can get that cleaned up. We have a wild kitten which appears on screen. Don't drink that. Come on, Ash, let's go down. What are you doing, buddy? Oh. Don't drink that. Oh. Come on, Ash. So as luck would have it, I forgot to press record on my microscope and I didn't get any of the footage of me cleaning the board. But I'm happy to say that the drive is plugged in. I was able to see all the data and I'm just busy making a backup of it. 800 gigabytes onto another external drive that the client gave me. So that was a good one. Hopefully this backup goes through fine. Telling me 9 hours to go. But yeah, that was a good one. I will come back at the end just to confirm that I was able to save everything. I'll see you later.